everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I got my very first unboxing for September and it is Lookfantastic and it's their birthday edition subscription box. So as always, if you're new to Lookfantastic, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this month's box, then I'll have a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty box that ships worldwide. It costs £15 a month and they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well. Inside the box you get 6 beauty treats which range from skincare, hair care, makeup, nail care, and we also have some makeup tools as well. I've been subscribed to Lookfantastic for over 3 years and it's one of my top favourite ever subscription boxes. I think for £15 you definitely get value for money. The value of each box comes to over £50 a month and this month's box comes to over £77 a month. Plus there's a free gift in it as well. If you opt for a monthly rolling subscription you can cancel any month, but if you opt for a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription you do get a discount. My subscription is a 12 monthly subscription and instead of paying £15 a month I now pay £13 a month. But if you're new to Lookfantastic and you're not sure whether you want to take out a subscription that is longer than a rolling month, then I have a huge back playlist of videos. I'm not suggesting you watch them all because there's a load, but you're welcome to take a look just to give you an idea of the type of items that you will receive. Also on my Instagram page, Diaryofabeautygeek, you'll be able to see photos of past boxes on there as well. The reason I'm receiving this box a little bit earlier is because this box was gifted to me from Lookfantastic. I'm on their PR list, so they kindly send me their boxes for free to show you and to tell you all about it. But my subscription box is due tomorrow. I had an email earlier on to let me know that the box is on its way. The reason I take out a subscription alongside receiving this as PR is because I use my subscription to give as giveaways on my Facebook page and Instagram page, but also to give as gifts to my friends and family. So I think that's it as far as information goes. All details and everything related to this box I'll pop down below, and also down in my description you will find a list of discount codes, any new offers, etc. that is happening. So yeah, so underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So before I get on to unboxing this, I just want to say that Lookfantastic have opened their pre-orders for their 2020 advent calendar. Now I do know what's inside. I have got a list of products that are inside. I'll pop that down in my description. The calendar is available for pre-sale now. It's available for £85 for a non-subscriber to the Lookfantastic beauty box, and it's £70 for subscribers. If you are a subscriber to Lookfantastic, you would have received an email with information about the advent calendar on there. In order to claim your discount you would need to click through that email and the discount would be automatically applied at checkout. So I think that's it. So let's get on to showing you what I received inside. So this is what it looks like inside. Got a little booklet here, and in here tells you everything about the products inside this box, including their price as well, so I'm able to refer to this as we go along. Plus it's got like interviews and product reviews and things like that that they sell on their main beauty website. But on the back they have a sneak peek for October's box, and this is a Balm de Rose, and I can't even say it, Flaconette, oh I don't know, is a lip balm maybe. It's by Terry and it's worth £14. It's a travel friendly version of By Terry's signature lip balm and combines luxury and protection. Well, that's what it looks like. So you've got a By Terry product. I don't think we've ever received anything by Terry before and Lookfantastic. So yeah, so the theme for this month is birthday. Lookfantastic is turning 6 and it says, we want to celebrate with all our lovely subscribers and we hope our birthday edit beauty box lends a helping hand. Our September box is full of amazing products from luxury cosmetics to cult favourite skincare, and there's even an exciting facial tool thrown into the mix. I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. Woo. Hold on. There you go. In this month's subscription there is one box. The last 2 months there has been 2 box variations, but this month there's one box, but there's 2 items in the box that have different variations, and I'll show you as we go through it. So the first item in the box is a Beyond Powder highlighter by Elemis. There's a little mini one, cute packaging though, look at that, that's really cute. See the colour there, you can see the shades there. I'll just try a little bit on my hand to show you. It's a gold shimmery highlighter. It's really, really nice, really nice. It blends out beautifully as well. I am sometimes nervous about gold shimmery ones. I like mine to be quite subtle. I don't like anything too strong then, you know. Sometimes when I see a gold one like that I think, ooh, but no, that is really, really lovely. It's really soft and it blends beautifully into my skin. you might not be able to see anything there, but no, that is really, really nice. In your box, you will either receive one of these or you will receive a Mary Lou Manizer by The Balm. Now, I've tried that before and that is a gorgeous, gorgeous highlighter. I'll just show you what the picture looks like. The Balm have really quirky packaging. And yeah, it's a really nice highlighter. I had a little mini in this subscription box, oh gosh, a couple of years ago now, and I do really like it. So the difference in price is £2. The Illamasqua highlighter is £10. The Mary Lou Manizer is £8. And it says here, get an enviable glow with these gorgeous highlighters, both with the shimmery champagne hue to complement your complexion. Perfect for illuminating the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bones, and cupid bows. I was going to say bones then. Cupid bones, no, cupid bows. So that's the first item in the box. And then the next item is another item that has a variant as well. And then all the rest, we all get the same. So this is by Espa. And this is the Pink Hair and Scalp Mud Intensive Treatment Mask to condition and nourish hair and scalp. Now, I've just recently used this literally a couple of days ago and I really love it. I absolutely love it. My hair felt so soft and the smell, it is gorgeous. I received a Lookfantastic Espa skincare box. If it's still available, I'll pop that down in my description. But yeah, it's all gorgeous Espa products. This is a really handy travel size because the one I had was a big pot. But how much we got here? We got 30 mils. That's what it looks like there. It says an intensive mineral-rich treatment mask that deeply conditions to leave hair soft and smooth and the scalp nourished. It says vitamin C-rich watercress and red clay soothe and nourish the scalp, while apricot kernel oil conditions to help promote stronger, healthy-looking, manageable hair. Suitable for all hair types, especially dry and weak hair. So you will either receive this or you will receive the Espa Purifying Micellar Water. Down there. Now I haven't tried that, so I can't tell you about that. So the Pink Hair and Scalp Mud is 30 mils and the Micellar Cleanser is 50 mils, but they're both worth £5.10p. It says these Espa products are sure to help you feel revived and refreshed. The Pink Hair and Scalp Mud is a rich hair treatment that works to deeply condition to leave you with silk softy locks. Soft locks, not softy, soft locks. The Micellar Cleanser is a gentle facial cleanser designed to remove makeup and impurities while balancing and conditioning your skin. So there's that. Next, we got the sneak peek from last month, and this is an Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and we got 15 mils here. I've tried this before, I've received it a few times in different subscription boxes and it's a really, really nice cream. The brand Elemis is just gorgeous. They do amazing, amazing skincare. This 15ml cream is worth £30 and it says this Elemis anti-aging cream uses the maximum concentrate of Podina pavonica, a powerful marine extract to completely transform your skin. Its antioxidant properties improve collagen production to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Next we've got a makeup brush and this is by LuxieBeauty.com. That's the outer packaging there. It's at Luxie 209 large shader. I have a few Luxie brushes. I'm not sure if I've had this before or not, but I do have a few Luxie brushes and they are really nice. That is a gorgeous brush actually for under eye blending, for like creating like a smoky eye. It's sort of flattish, as you can see. No, maybe not. It's sort of flattish, but it's fluffy. So you're able to concentrate with the eyeshadow quite well, and then you're able to blend it as well with the bristles coming out, so you're able to soften it. Do you know if I own it? Have I received one of these in another subscription box? Let me know down below. But I've got a bit of a brush obsession. And I can't resist brushes. I have got loads of them. I can't get rid of them. I have got loads. So this large shader brush by Luxie is worth £15. It says suitable to use with both cream and powder eyeshadows. This soft synthetic Luxie brush will be a great addition to your beauty toolkit. So we've got an eye brush. Then we got a lip pencil. And I'm going to have to look at this to read it because I can't remember. Dalla Palma. The shade on the top is looking lovely. So let's try it on my hand. It's just a really nice sort of warm, almost rosy kind of shade. I tend to use a lot of lip pencils as all over lipsticks. I might add like a lip gloss on top. But yeah, no, that is a gorgeous colour. That is definitely a colour I would wear. This is a mini lip pencil. Oh, it looks full size though. It does look full size. It's a mini lip pencil and it's in shade Antique Pink and it is worth £9.32. And it says the Dalla Palma lip pencil has a precise tip to really define your lips and a strong colour payoff. When blended all over the lips, the matte finish will last for hours. It's got a lip pencil and everyone will receive this shade. And then lastly out of the products, besides the freebie, which I'll show you in a minute, we've got a jade roller and this is by Brushworks. Now, if you haven't tried one of these before and you're a Lookfantastic subscriber, you are going to love it. Oh my god, especially if you put it in the fridge. I've now bought a tiny little fridge, like a mini, we call it a skincare fridge. Myself and my daughter share it, so it's all got masks and things in there. And I've already got one of these, so every morning I roll my face. It just feels so nice. It just depuffs your skin, helps reduce dark circles, it improves like fine lines and wrinkles, but I'm not really sure how that works. I tend to use it, if I remember, I either use it on its own and then I think, oh, my skincare, or if I remember I'll do like put a serum on first and then do it with my serum, so I'm rubbing in the serum to my skin. So you've got a bigger one at the top there and that's nice, it doesn't squeak. I've had one before and it's like you don't want to be listening to. It's not a problem, but you know, but no, this one doesn't squeak, which is good. And then you've got a little one then to go under your eyes. So, oh, see, even now it's cold, but imagine it in the fridge. Oh, brilliant. So yeah, I just do this, up and down, like this, and then the little one then, I go just back and forth there. Oh, it just feels so nice. Anything cold. Soothing Jade is cool to the touch, reducing the appearance of pores, wrinkles and puffiness. Enhances skincare routine by rolling product onto the skin for even application of moisturisers and serums. Yeah. Everyone will be receiving one of these and it is worth £9.99. It says to really take your skincare regime to the next level, this Brushworks facial roller is exactly what you need. Working to alleviate puffiness and tension in the face, this tool is great for massaging your favourite serums, moisturisers and face masks into the skin. And then lastly, we got a little freebie because it's Lookfantastic's birthday. They've added in a little freebie. A few of us thought it could be chocolate or something, but no, it's a little pop socket. Look. And it's got here, Lookfantastic beauty box. It is very smart looking. I like the design of it. I like the fact that it's black and it's got white writing on there. But I don't use pop sockets. I use ones with, what do you call them? Things. Rings. I've tried pop sockets before, but I just miss this. When I'm walking around, I just put my hand in there and I grab it and it's, yeah, it just feels a lot safer for me anyway, because I am really scatty and I tend to drop things a lot as well. But yeah, so I might give that to my daughter actually. I'll see if she would like that. So those are all the items, so I'm just going to gather them all up. So hopefully you can see there okay. These are the 6 items inside this month's Lookfantastic beauty box, plus you've got an added little pop socket there for your phone. So we got a Luxie eyeshadow brush, we got a Brushworks jade roller, we got an Espa hair mask, or you might receive the micellar cleanser. We got a Dalla Palma, if I've read that right. It's a lip pencil. We've got an Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and we've got an Illamasqua highlighter. You will either receive the Illamasqua highlighter or the Mary Lou Manizer from the Balm. So yeah, I really like this month's box. I think it's a really good mix. We've got 2 tools, so we've got a jade roller and the brush, and then we've got 2 makeup and 2 skincare. So I think a really good mix. But I will be giving the jade roller away because there's no point me keeping that. I just think it's a great thing to put in a box, but I've already got one and I use one, so there's no point me keeping it. So yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts though. What do you think of this month's box? What do you think of the different variations? Or are you watching this wondering whether Lookfantastic beauty box is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, including the Lookfantastic advent calendar, which might be here next week. Might be. Take care. Bye.